Bacteriophages are viruses. They infect bacteria. These phages are important. They control bacterial populations. Bacteriophages are found everywhere. They are in soil, water, and even in us. Phages are tiny, but they have a big impact. They can make bacteria sick. They can even kill them. Phages are specific. Each type infects certain bacteria. This makes them useful. We can use them to fight bacterial infections. This is called phage therapy. Scientists are learning more about phages. They are studying their potential. Phages could help us fight antibiotic resistance. They are an exciting area of research. Bacteriophages have a unique structure. They look like tiny robots. They have a head, a tail, and tail fibers. The head is called the capsid. It's made of protein. The capsid protects the phage's genetic material. This material can be DNA or RNA. The tail is a hollow tube. It connects to the head. The tail helps the phage infect bacteria. It contracts to inject genetic material. Tail fibers are attached to the tail. They look like legs. These fibers help the phage attach to bacteria. They bind to specific receptors on the bacterial surface. The lytic cycle is one way phages replicate. It's a cycle of infection and destruction. It has several stages. First, the phage attaches to a bacterium. It uses its tail fibers to bind to the bacterial surface. Then, the phage injects its genetic material into the bacterium. Inside the bacterium, the phage's genetic material takes over. It uses the bacterium's machinery to make more phages. New phage particles assemble inside the bacterium. Finally, the new phages burst out of the bacterium. This kills the bacterium. The new phages can then infect other bacteria. The cycle continues. The lysogenic cycle is another way phages replicate. It's different from the lytic cycle. In this cycle, the phage doesn't immediately kill the bacterium. The phage integrates its genetic material into the bacterium's DNA. This genetic material is called a prophage. The bacterium continues to live and reproduce. The prophage replicates along with the bacterium's DNA. This means every new bacterium also carries the prophage. The phage's genetic material is passed down. Sometimes the prophage can become active. This can happen due to stress or environmental changes. The prophage then enters the lytic cycle. New phages are produced. The cycle continues.